Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 5s, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple layout on this Android. Firstly, open Play Store, click on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Now you need to install this free app from this developer and open it. Wait for the pop-ups to show up, and when they do, click on Allow while using the app and allow in them. Then choose Home button, tap on iOS Launcher, select Always and tap on Got It. And now, as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Asus. But you can also go back into the Android one by going into Settings, choosing Apps and Notifications, selecting Default Apps and tapping on Home app. Now choose iOS Launcher. And as you can see, we just got back into the default one. You can switch between them by simply clicking on iOS one whenever you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!